Hey guys, out here fishing for gar and catfish. Look at this little fella, little baby catfish. I'm gonna go ahead and let him go. He's not even big enough to eat, so he's gonna go back in. But that's my first catch here on this water, so I'm gonna keep on keeping on and try to get me something a little bigger. So, say hi, fella. Yeah, he's a pretty little guy. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and put him back. Alright guys, hopefully I'll have a better update for you. Hey guys, Jay here. Still out here trying to get something. Catfish or gar. Oh shit, something got my fish on. Hold on. Alright, let's see if I can show you. Hold on. Got him. That might be a keeper. Alright. Look at this guy. Second one for the day. That's funny. I was just gonna do a little update. Show you guys sun's going down back there. I was gonna hang out for a little longer. But that works too. This one I might keep. Alright, give you all another little update in a little bit. That was unexpected, but hey, I'm happy. Alright, see you guys soon.